Ladies and gentlemen, it's a true honor to share with you today a piece of art I've poured my heart into, a landscape painting that not only showcases the beauty of nature, but also carries profound messages about tranquility and harmony with the world around us. This painting depicts a winding dirt path leading to a quaint wooden house, nestled peacefully within the vast beauty of nature. Surrounding the house are lush green hills, tall trees offering shade, and sunlight gently filtering through the scene, creating a warm and relaxing atmosphere. Above, the sky is a soft blue with white clouds drifting lazily by. All of these elements together create a serene landscape where one can set aside their worries and find peace in the stillness. As I began painting this scene, it wasn't just about technique. It was about the deep connection I feel with nature. Each stroke, each detail in the painting was my way of conveying the life and energy I see in every moment of nature. The small stones on the path, the tall trees reaching towards the sky, or the clouds drifting by, each one adds a layer of calm, inviting the viewer to step into this space. The painting isn't just a depiction of nature. It's an invitation, a reflection on life's journey. The winding path leading to the wooden house could symbolize the journey each of us takes. It's a path that leads us from our daily struggles to a place of peace, where we can pause and reflect on our lives. Colors and brushstrokes, crafting tranquility. The painting uses colors thoughtfully to capture the beauty of nature. The dominant green hues of the trees, hills, and sky evoke a sense of calm and relaxation. The yellow fields of crops add warmth to the scene. The balance of colors and light breathes life into the painting while still preserving the quiet peace of the landscape. The brushstrokes are soft and refined, embodying the quiet serenity of the scene. From the subtle texture of the wooden fence to the delicate curves of the dirt road and the drifting clouds, each element is carefully painted to enhance the sense of stillness without overpowering the overall peaceful ambience. This painting is more than just a natural landscape, it's rich with symbolism. The winding path leading to the wooden house represents a journey towards inner peace. The house, small as it may be, symbolizes stability and tranquility, a place where we can return to find solace amidst life's noise. The aesthetic beauty of the painting comes not just from its colors and brushstrokes, but from the message it carries, a harmony between human life and nature, between the movement of life and the stillness of the world around us. Each detail of the painting is designed to invoke warmth, relaxation, and a gentle reminder to reconnect with our inner peace. When you look at this painting, you're not just seeing the physical details, but also feeling the artist's heart and soul. This isn't just a picture, it's a way for me to share my love for nature and the simple yet profound moments of life. Every stroke, every detail, from the path to the house, holds a piece of my emotion. This is what makes the painting not only visually beautiful but deeply meaningful. It carries a story, a message from the artist. This painting is not just a work of art, it's a message of tranquility and harmony in life. It serves as a reminder of the important values we often forget in the rush of everyday life: peace, a return to ourselves, and a reconnection with nature. From the smallest details to the larger elements of the painting, each part contributes to a sense of warmth, relaxation, and a gentle nudge to appreciate the beauty of life. In this way, the painting is more than just an artistic piece. It's a part of a personal journey to discover peace within oneself and in the world around us. I hope that with each viewing, you find a sense of stillness in your own soul and discover a moment of calm amid the hustle and bustle of life.